Very good evening to all. Good evening. I hope I am audible right now. I hope I am audible right now. So very good evening to all. Welcome to Pantech Learning, and a very good evening, and also the happy evening to all. Yeah, and Punya, very good evening. Raju Shanti, good evening. Gokula Priya, very good evening. And Black Boy Vinay, very good evening. And TN46, very good evening. Fighter, Gauri, Chandru, and also Jairam, and Imran, Rupesh. Very good evening to all, and happy evening once again, and very pleasant evening to all. And Subha, very good evening. And Nandini, very good evening. Yes, Afna, good evening. Fatima, good evening. Chandramukhan sir, very good evening. You're always encouraging and also happy to see you again once again. And Sheikh, good evening. Murali, very good evening. Bala, very good evening. And welcome you all. And welcome to Pantech Learning. Yeah. Yeah, Soumya, very good evening. And Emmanuel and Narayana. And Sukanya, very good evening. Chandru, Sheelan, Dinesh. I can't read the name actually because of the comment is going and it's fastly moving on. So I can't, read all the names here. So randomly I selected the names here, and also greeting to all. Balasai, good evening. Harini, very good evening. Hashita, very good evening. Mahmad, good evening. And Surya Prakash, good evening. And Chinese, good evening. Happy to see you again one more time. And Raghav, good evening. Yeah, Balasai, good evening. Mahmad, good evening. Sayed, very good evening. And welcome you all once again. And Jairam, yes, thank you so much. And Vikas, thank you so much for your wonderful comment here. Thank you. And if I read this command like this in the sense, this will be actually more interesting to me to take the class today. And Naga, Srinivasan, and Aurum, Ramya Selvam, very good evening. Yes, Tulasi, very good evening. Kavya, Mahmad, Omkar, and Vijay, Anusha, Emilia, all very good evening. Good evening to all. Very pleasant evening to all. Yes. Yeah. So, hello everyone. This is Philip Edit from Pantech Learning, and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with Pantech Learning anytime, anywhere, and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. I welcome you all to today's masterclass, the data science masterclass. Today, I'm happily started this particular session. It is completely related to the data science. Most of the people wanted to work with the data science professional, right? If you want to learn or you want to become a data science engineer or a data analyst or business analyst, this is the right platform to learn the data science concepts. Here I am going to teach you for this particular data science masterclass. Okay, so are you ready, guys? If you guys are ready, means please mention in the comment box as well. Are you guys ready? If you guys are ready, means please mention in the comment box as well. I'm also so excited to conduct this particular 20 days masterclass for you. And also, I hope you guys are also excited to listening this particular classes which I am taking this particular 30 days masterclass. Are you guys are excited? If you guys are excited, means please mention in the comment box as well. Yeah, most of the people comment me. Yes, a very good evening. And Suresh, thank you so much for your good AAA. Yes, most of the people is more interested to listening the classes. I'm also so excited to taking this 30 days masterclass. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. So excited, and it is actually more interesting to listening and also to watching this particular comments because of the comments is going like that. So most of the people are interested to listening this particular 30 days masterclass for data science. Thank you so much for your good response. Yeah, so without delay, I'm going to get into the topic today. So this particular session, I'm going to cover the introduction and overview of this particular data science concepts. So before entering the session, I will be discussing about this particular session, 30 days masterclass. Our associative partner for this particular 30 days masterclass for the data science, APSSDC, Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. So we are going to associate it for this particular 30 days masterclass. So that the certificate will be get it from the APSSDC as well. Okay. So what about our associative partner in this particular APSSDC? Their particular platform, it is nearly 18,96,905 students are registered and learn many technologies by this particular medium and also by this particular associative partner, and 300 plus number of collaborations and 10,000 10,000 above employers, also 7,346 number of instituted will be there. This is actually we are going to associate it with this particular Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. Okay, right. So what is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy. Because we are always supporting to the student in a technical way. So you want to learn any technology related to Java, related to Python language, in the sense we are always supported. So these particular platform, pantech elearning, always supporting to the students in a technical way. So our main vision, we are going to cover 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy, right? Yeah. So about myself, so my name is Philip. I'm the mentor of these particular 30 days data science masterclass. I have a 4 years experience Python developer on machine learning as well as the data science. And I'm working with the deep learning with computer vision as well. I'm going to I'm using the Python language, HTML and CSS, the tools familiar with Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, as well as the Google Collaborate. So this is myself. So I'm going to conduct this particular 30 days masterclass. I'm so excited to conduct this particular 30 days masterclass. I hope you guys are also excited. Yeah. So what you will learn. Are you looking to develop your career in the data science, skills, data science skills to the next level? In the sense, this is the right platform. Our masterclass is completely designed for the data science professionals, data analyst, business analyst. Okay, so what we are going to cover in this 30 days masterclass. So our next 30 days masterclass, we will be cover the following topics Python, basic Python for the data science, and also the Python libraries for the data science, and also the data science elements we are going to cover, and machine learning concepts we are going to cover, and tools for the data visualization I am going to cover. And also we will be discussing and you will be receive all the hands-on program for this particular 30 days masterclass. You will be learn more about these particular concepts related to the machine learning as well as the data science. And finally, you will be receive the hands-on practice for the data science projects as well. You want to become a data science engineer, in the sense, this is the right platform. Of course, I assure you that you will be learn the similar concepts and very familiar concepts in data science. I'm going to teach you, I will give the knowledge to you, and definitely you got something from me at the end of the session. Okay, right. So this is our agenda for this particular 30 days masterclass for the data science. How excited you are? How excited you are? If you are excited, means please raise your hands in comment box. Please raise your hands in comment box. And one more thing, this is not a regular class. I need a more interaction. Okay, so because of I don't want to make my session as a boring way, so that is the reason I'm always interacting to you. So because of this is very very initial class, and this is the first day class actually. Okay, so I will give the knowledge to you, and this particular session I'm going to cover the introduction about the data science program. Right, fine. What is data science exactly? And most of the people knows about the artificial intelligence technology, machine learning technology, deep learning technology, and data science technology. One thing you have to understand, we are living in this particular technology. Are you agreed that? We are practicing this particular technology. Are you agreed that? We are using this particular technology. Are you agreed that? We are living in this particular technology. Are you agreed that? If you are agreed means, please mention in the comment box. Yes, Philip. Because we are using this particular technology day by day. And also we are practicing that particular technology. And the technology is growing day by day. Because we are practicing and we are using this particular technology is more helpful for the human. Everyone having a smartphone here, and we are using the many more applications related to the technology, and we are using the technology. Some of the people don't know about that, but we are using this particular exact technology every day. We are going to use actually. Are you agreed that? Yes, of course we are using. If you agree means, please mention in the comment box as Philip. And one more thing, this is my humble request. Don't call me sir, call me Philip is more comfortable for me. So that is the reason. So call me Philip is more comfortable for me. So most of the people calling me as sir, so no problem. And call me Philip, that will be more comfortable for me. That is my humble request to you, right? So in this particular technology we are using and we are practicing and we are with that particular technology. And one more thing, data science is a combination of multidiscipline. For an example, the uses of statistics, data analysis, and machine learning to analyzing the data and extracting the knowledge from that particular data. For an example, Google Map is one of the best example for the data science. Why? Because that particular company, they are collecting the data from the user day by day. Without data it can't be possible to giving the other destination. For an example, I know the shorter way, but the computer doesn't know about that. If the computer receiving from the user, next time the same destination, the Google Map giving us a shorter way to the another person, another user. This is actually the data science concepts. And one more thing, Spotify movie recommendation system. For an example, Netflix and also the Amazon Prime. That is the best example for the data science concepts. For an example, if you are going to watch the one particular hero movie or one particular director movie, in the sense, if based on your history, the system is going to be giving the recommendation to you. How it can be possible? Maybe you are asking the question to me. Of course, it is possible with the help of this particular technology, right? Because the system, the computer or the particular company is going to getting the information from the user day by day. Based on your past history, the computer is going to be recommended to you. For an example, I'm going to watching the Vijay movie or Ajit movie. The same based on that particular movie, the system is going to be recommended the same hero's movie, right? So this is actually what the data science. Without data science is nothing, because we are going to analyzing the data, we are going to work with the data, we need a data. Without data we can't do anything here, because the technology is more needed based on the data. Because the technology can't be worked with the data set here. For an example, for the human, based on your experience, you are going to recognize one particular person. Am I right? For an example, you knows about me. Yeah, this is Philip action. You know me, okay? So you know me because of actually you had an experience based on the before masterclass. Am I right? Yeah, yes, the video is lagging. Just a minute, I will check it. Check it my internet here. Yes. Yeah, video is lagging. Yeah. Now it is good or not? Now it is good or not, guys? Please replay. Yeah. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. My video is clear. My video is clear actually. Please reply me, guys. Video is lagging still now. Yeah. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I hope my video is clear right now. Yes. I hope my video is clear right now. It is not lagging right now. It's clear. Please reply, guys. I need a interaction and I need a reply from you. My video is clear right now. Yeah. Okay, fine. The data science. Actually, we are using that. What I was saying, like your that movie recommendation system. Based on your past history, the system is going to be recommended to you. And for an example, e-commerce website, the similar product is going to be recommended to you. That can be possible with the help of the data. Without data, we can't do nothing here. We can't train the computer. And for that particular data, we need a data science because of we need to analyzing the data, we need to find the problem, and we need to choose the best algorithm for creating a model and training a model actually. Am I right? Yeah. Right. So this is all about the basic introduction about that. Right. So without delay, what is data science here? Do you have any idea about that? Do you have any idea about that? If you have any idea about that, in the sense, please mention in the comment box. Please mention in the comment box. I'm also so excited to read your answer for that particular, data science, about what do you know about that? So I need to know about that. So what is exactly data science here? Yeah. Guys, I hope my screen is my screen is clear and also my video is very it's good, I hope. Yeah, still it is lagging. Yeah, just a minute. Is it clear, guys? Is okay? Right, fine. Yes, Mr. Music Manish. Yes, okay, that's exactly correct. Collecting the data and storing the data, exactly. And data science is a process of doing the calculation on the data. Of course, it is. Yeah, data science is the related data manipulation and also the data visualization and exploration. Exactly. Yes. So most of the people answered about that. That's actually interesting, right? Because of most of the people knows about that. Yeah. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute.
Video stuck.
I hope my video is clear right now. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for your good reply, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Some network issue will be there. So sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much for your patience. Yeah. So data science is all about gathering the data. That's more important. For the recommendation system, for the Google Map, these all are the things. It can be possible with the help of the data. So that's why I'm mentioning here. The data science is all about the data gathering and also analyzing and also taking the decision based on your data. For the human, we can taking the decision based on your past experience. Am I right? You are going to recognize one particular person and you can recognize me because of your past experience. Maybe that you hadn't watched my before Masterclass. So then only you can identify and you can recognize Philip here. In the same way, we need a data to train the system or train the computer that will be help to making the decision. That means we need a data here. Without data, we can't do nothing here. Okay, right. So, and here it is about to finding the patterns in that data. and it will be help to making the future prediction. Future prediction, that is more important. This is all about the data science here. For the future prediction, based on the analyzing, we can train the model. We can train the computer. That can be possible here. Study about all the data here. That is exactly the data science here. I will tell you, yeah. So by using this particular data science, the companies are able to make best decision, these or that, based on the problem statement. Based on the problem statement. Once you are going to analyzing this particular data, we can giving the solution for that, this or that, A or B, yes or no. That things we can find the decision, better decision. It can be possible with the help of the data science. Actually, most of the company they are using to taking the decision with the help of this particular technology. That is data science here. Okay, right. And predictive analysis. What is next? What we are going to do the next? That is actually the company they are following this kind of the things. So the data science can be help to taking the better decision, predictive analysis for the next, and pattern discoveries. That will be help to finding the patterns. You have to follow this procedure. You have to follow this procedure. Once you are going to follow this particular procedure, of course, we can get a good performance here. Most of the business companies, they are use these particular data science concepts here for these particular, the companies are able to make the best and better decision. That is A or B, like that. And predictive analysis, what next we are going to do? And pattern recoveries we are going to cover up. Okay, right, fine. Now, what is where the data science is needed? For an example, fraudulent transaction. How we can find it? We don't know, and we can't frequently watching, frequently monitoring. But when you are going to getting into the automation system with the help of the data science in the sense, that can be possible to find the fraudulent transaction or credit card fraudulent transaction. This kind of things, it can be possible with the help of the data science. Actually, that's why the data science is needed here. Okay, right. And consultancy, based on your capability, based on your the data features. Okay, based on your data features, the consultancy giving the solution to you. And most of the IT companies, it is related to the consultancy based on the data analyst. Based on your data features, it can be preferable. For example, based on my capability, I can work with here and I can go for here. Machine learning or data science engineer. That is actually the consultancy. It will be giving the solution based on your data features. That is actually we needed. Healthcare. Based on the data feature, the person is affected or not. Based on the data, we can find the disease without help of the doctor. That can be possible actually. And manufacturing. In a manufacturing company, that will be also help to monitoring the productivity, monitoring the accuracy, monitoring the safety. That can be possible. So that time we need a data science here. Okay, right, fine. Now, here the best example and applications presently we are using in that day by day. For example, how we can that the particular pilot can find the flight delay based on the data features, based on the weather condition, the flight will be delayed or not based on that particular data. That means with the help of the past data, we already trained the model with the help of the machine learning technology. Based on the future data, based on the new data, the flight will be delayed or not, we can find easily. Okay, then what about the route planning for the ship? That can be possible. And promotions offer based on the timing, and also based on the data features, we can giving the offers. That is actually, we can call it as big sale or discount, whatever it is. For an example, When I'm going to using that particular travel booking, based on that festival time, the price will be increased. Based on the normal time, it will be we can find and we can find the best offer to you based on the data. Here the data is the most important thing. Okay, right. And find the best suited time for the delivery. When you're going to use actually what is that? You are choosing one particular particular food. Okay, yeah, based on your location, it can be actually find the best suited time for to deliver that based on the data. Everyone we are using Swiggy and some other applications, we are using that and order that particular food, and it will be estimated, and the delivery time they are giving. How it can be possible? Based on the distance, based on the product preparation, that particular timing will be notified to the customer, right? So based on the timing, based on the preparation timing, based on the distance timing, it will be giving the delivery time, best suited time for the delivery. That can be possible with the help of the past data, right? So maybe that you had an experience about the Swiggy and also the Zomato, right? So maybe you have, I hope you all guys are experienced about that when you are going to ordering the food. So if you have an experience about that, in the sense, please mention in the comment box, yes Philip. Please mention in the comment box, yes Philip. And I noticed one thing while I'm reading the comment here. So most of the people asking the attendance link. Definitely the attendance link will be shared at 8:40. Okay, share at 8:40, right? So now the forecasting revenue. So based on your past expenses, we can estimate the next year budget. We can estimate the beforely, we can estimate the next year schedule for the financial way. That is actually forecast revenue based on the data science and healthcare benefits, and predict the winner party of the election. That can be also possible based on the features, based on the people mentality. When you are going to collecting that particular data, we can predict easily. The computer can also predict easily based on that particular past experience with the help of the data science technology. This is all about the explanation about here, right? Yeah. So without delay. So what is data science life cycle? When you are going to getting into the data science classes, project, that time we need to follow the certain procedure here. For example, the data collection. So before that, we need to choose the one particular target here. Without the target, we can't to create a model, and we can't to train a model here. That means once you are going to choose one particular what is that particular title or target, for an example, rainfall prediction and credit card fraudulent deduction, these are the target. Once you choose that particular target, we need to collecting that particular data. So without data, we can't do anything here, right? So once you collecting that particular data, we need to making the properized data here. Because once you are going to using the model training here, in the sense, we need to preparing the data here. Because the model is expecting the properized data. What is the properized data? We need to making the proper data without any null values. Without structured data or properized data, we need it. So the first one, the data collection, is the more important part here. This is actually the data science life cycle. And here, the data collection is the most important part here. Without data, we can't do anything here. Right. So first one, data collection and data preparation. Data preparation means we need to making the properized data here. And data mining. What is that exactly? That is data analyzing process. What is the data analyzing process here? That is nothing but exploratory data analysis based on the visualization. Based on the data mining, based on the data analysis, we can choose the best algorithm for our particular target. Okay, right. Then model building. Once you are going to analyzing the data, based on the analysis, we can choose the best. Okay, we can choose the best algorithm for our particular target for the problem statement based on the data mining. That means what? For an example, we have to choose based on the problem statement classification or regression. If it is a classification problem, we can choose the best algorithm here. That is nothing but a model building here with the help of the machine learning algorithm. So once you are going to creating a model, we need to train a model with the help of the preparing data here. Hope you guys are understood about it. Right? So that is the model building here. And next, model deployment. So I will tell you. So model deployment is nothing but, once you train the model, we need to create and we need to feed the server here. So that time when you are going to feeding the new data with the help of the front end, and it will be integrated to the backend, that is the trained model. When you are going to feeding the new data to the trained model, the model will giving the answer in a front end. That is the deployment. For the product based, that is nothing but the deployment here. I will tell you one by one. Right. And one more thing. If you guys are really interested and really like the session, means don't forget to hit the like button and also mention in the comment box as Philip, or give your comments and leave your comments in your comment box here. Okay, right. So if you guys are really like the session and you are really like the way of the presentation in the sense, please leave your comments in the comment box and also don't forget to hit the like button here. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to show the demo for this particular data science project. Okay, I'm going to show the demo for this particular data science project. This is the way we are going to what is that? We are going to cover this particular 30 days masterclass. Okay, fine. So without delay, first, what is exactly we are going to follow in a data science life cycle? Can you answer? Can you answer, please, guys? Yeah, sure. I will take it as a slower way. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for a good reply, guys. Yeah, actually more interactive, and also, yeah, of course, I can share my knowledge to you guys. Yeah, fine. So now I'm going to show the demo here. Okay. After that, I'm going to continue this particular session. So without delay, for the loan status prediction. Okay, loan status prediction. That means actually what here? Okay, actually what here? The loan status prediction in the sense based on your data. For an example, based on your education, based on your dependence, based on your credits, based on your transaction, based on your gender, based on your properties, the person is eligible for loan or not. The loan will be approved or not. That is the target here. That is the problem statement actually. That is the problem statement actually. So first we need to fixing the target. That is the first thing. What is the title here? Loan status prediction. Okay, loan status prediction. So based on this particular target, we need to collecting the data for that particular target. That means we need to collecting the different data for that different person. For an example, Philip is a graduate. Yeah, of course he is a graduate. He's married or no, he's a single. And dependent is no. Based on the data features, the person is eligible for eligible or not. That is the target here. Then based on the analysis, what is the problem statement here? What is the problem statement here? That means maybe that it is a classification problem. Based on the data features, the person is eligible for loan or not, the approved or not. That means actually it is a classification problem. So we need to choose the algorithm based on the problem statement, based on the analysis. That is actually classification problem here. Okay, I will tell you in a faster way. This is a way to following the procedure. Okay, right. See here. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. When I want to entering the data science or machine learning, in the sense that time we need a 4 different important library. That is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and also the sklearn. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklearn. So the Pandas will help for manipulating the data. NumPy will help to working with arrays, and Matplotlib and also the Seaborn will help to visualizing the data, and sklearn will help to giving the algorithm and also propertizing the data here. Okay, yeah, fine. So now we need to import the necessary library. So this is NumPy and this is Pandas, this is Seaborn, and this is actually will help to creating a training data as well as the testing data. And this is the algorithm. Here I'm going to using the support vector based on your problem statement. This is the algorithm name here. Okay, right. And this is actually the accuracy score that will be helpful for what is that finding the evaluation process. So without delay, I'm going to loading the data set here. Already I loaded here. Okay, right. So first, before that, we need to loading the data set in a cloud. Okay, fine. So I'm going to show the demo here. So this is library, and we need to loading this particular data with the help of copy the path and also paste it here. Okay, paste it here. So once it is run that, in the sense, yeah, one person is asking, sir, please run all. Yeah, of course I can run, no problem. Support vector, Mr. Support vector machine, because of it is a classification problem. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Now we need to loading the data with the help of the read CSV that which is get it from the Pandas library here. Right? Once you load it, we need to ensure it with the help of the head function. So that will be displays the first 5 rows of that particular data. So this is actually the past data. Based on this particular past data, we need to train the model. Because in this particular data, we having independent data as well as the dependent data. Okay, right, fine. Now you can see it here. So these are all the data features gender, married, dependence, education, self-employed, applicant income. Based on this particular data, the person is eligible for or eligible or not. Yes or no, approved or not. Okay, this is the label data here. Right, fine. Now I'm going to show the shape of this particular data, that is 614 rows and also the 13 columns here. I'm going to show the demo here. I don't want to explain the deeper way here because of this is a very introduction class here. Okay, right. So I'm going to use the program here, Python language only. Yeah. So here I'm going to several functions which is getting from the Pandas, that is describe, shape will help to do that, and also we are going to checking the making the properized data. So we need to check the null values here with the help of the isNull.sum. So it will be find here, and the null values 13, 3, 15, 32, 22, and also the 14. Yeah. Now so once you are going to find that particular null values in the sense, we need to clean that with the help of the dropdown function. That actually we just get it from the Pandas library here. The Pandas library actually will help to different solution for that. Pandas library is majorly helpful for manipulating the data here. Right. So every libraries we are going to cover and we are going to discuss in a future days classes. Okay, fine. So load here the dropdown function will help to removing all the null values. After that, I'm going to find checking here again. So null values cleared with the help of this particular dropdown function. After that, we need to changing label encoding format. That means here the computer can't understanding this particular what is that? This particular text format. So that we need to converting into the 0 and 1. 0 and 1. For an example, yes or no, in the sense 0 and 1, we have to check. We have to change it there. So with the help of this particular replace function, we can replace the 0 and 1 for yes and no. So yes in the sense 1 and no in the sense 0. That means we can actually try to understand, guys. This is just a demo. I don't want to explain in a deeper way. If I want to explain in a deeper way, in the sense, it will be taking more time. And one more thing, this is actually the introduction class. I will show the demo. After that, we are going to discussing more about that. Okay, fine. Yeah, hope you guys are understood about it. Yeah. So this is the way to converting that, and this is actually the manipulating the data and displaying it. It will be changed actually. So I will tell you how to do that. I will tell you how to do that in a further days classes. And you can find it the value counts of this particular depend. So this will be the count of 0 to 1 and this kind of the things. And also replace function will help to replace the value of 0 and 1 like that. And dependencies, the value count will be like that. And this is actually the visualization. This is the way to creating and following the data science life cycle. For an example, first we need to collecting the data and analyzing the data, visualizing the data, propertizing the data, model creation, and also the model evaluation, and finally the prediction. So here this is the way to use the several function for the visualization. That is count plot will display it. Count plot will display it for married and also the count. Then you can see it here for data visualization for the count plot here, and you can see it here. This is actually the demo of this particular data science project. I'm not going to explaining in a deeper way. If I'm going to explain in a deeper way, in the sense it will be taking more time to explaining about that. Just try to understand. This is the way to follow the procedure for the further days classes for different target. Okay, right. I hope you guys are understood about it. After that, we need to convert all the statement yes or no into the 0 and 1 and male and female into the 0 and 1. This is the procedure to replacing it. After that, dropping the unwanted data here. So we need to split the data. Okay, we need to split the data for testing and training. So that is X and Y. So Y is nothing but the dependent data. X is nothing but the independent data here. Okay, so that is actually what separating the data here. Okay, fine. So this is the data here. So after that, we need to prepare the training data as well as the testing data. This is actually the procedure for training data as well as the testing data. Okay, so this is a parameter I will be explained in a deeper way for the next days classes, for the days classes. Okay, fine. Now, after that, we need to creating a model with the help of the object creation concepts. Okay, right. And this is actually support vector and support vector classifier, and this is two different type, that is actually linear and also the non-linear here. Yeah, fine. Is okay. Of course. Yes, okay. Right, fine. So this is a model creation and model training like that with the help of the training data, and model accuracy score calculation, that is actually the evaluation process. And the accuracy score will be nearly 81%. And you have to understand one thing while I am explaining this particular project. Collecting the data, propertizing the data with the help of the handling the missing values. That means with the help of finding the null values, and also clear that with the help of the dropper function. That is the one procedure. What is the next procedure? That means feature extraction. We need to splitting the data for testing and also the training. So we are going to create the training data as well as the testing data. Then next we are going to choose the algorithm here. Okay, choose the algorithm here. Yeah, fine, Mr. Beckham. Yeah, definitely I will explain in a slower way for the next day's classes. I show the demo here only. Okay, try to understand. I show the demo here only. So this is the way the project will be like that only. I'm going to show the demo here. I'm not explaining the deeper way. Okay, when I'm going to explaining in a deeper way, that will be taking more time to elaborate explanation. Okay, definitely I will explain you in a deeper way. Don't worry. Okay, right, fine. Yeah. Now, yes. So here, separating the data for training as well as the testing. After that, we need to creating a model based on the problem analyzing problem statement. If it is a classification problem or regression problem, we need to choose the algorithm here. I will explain one by one. SVM in the sense support vector mesh. So model creation, model training, model evaluation, that will be helpful for the find the best model for our particular target. Once it is trained, we need, okay, that particular model will giving the solution and taking the better decision. Okay, fine. So this is the way to creating a project in a data science. Okay, right. So this is a demo of that. Yes. These particular things, you can convert this particular masterclass into the internship. You want to learn more about that in the sense that data science 3.0 masterclass you can convert into the internship. Okay, so I explained before this particular demo of that particular projects. So this will be actually more interesting to learn. And in this particular masterclass of data science, we are going to cover all the important concepts in data science here. And you can convert this all the things in an internship. Okay, right. So what this particular benefits of this internship? You can convert guys, my video is clear. My video is clear right now. My video is clear, guys. Yeah, still it is buffering. Yeah, just a minute, guys. Okay, so I hope my video is clear right now. Yeah. So you can convert this particular 30 days masterclass, okay, 30 days masterclass into the internship. So 30 days video will be accessible, 90 days accessible for this particular recording, and 8+ projects we are going to cover in a hands-on way. And also we are going to give the source code to you, and also downloadable files, downloadable PPTs we are going to giving to you. So once you joining the internship, and 30 days downloadable presentation, hackathon classes will be available, and also the certificate given from APSSDC because of the associated partner APSSDC. The confirmation letter which is get it from APSSDC, and also the internship certification which is get it from APSSDC, that is a skill development program from the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this is the benefit of the internship. And how to enroll this? How to enroll this? Our registration fee is normally nearly 1000 rupees, 999 rupees. But I am going to using the coupon code TSA3. Okay, TSA3. So that will be giving the discounted fee is nearly 590 rupees. For this particular internship, you can learn more concepts related to data science. Okay, so our internship fee is nearly 590 when you are going to using the coupon code TSA3. Okay, TSA3. Use this coupon code and also pay the amount 590 only. Normally we charged for the internship nearly 999 rupees. When you are going to using the coupon code, we are giving the offer is nearly 590 rupees. You want to learn more concepts, for an example, basic concepts like that, in the sense you can use this particular special opportunity to you. Okay, so this is the special offer. The link is mentioned in the comment box. The link is mentioned in the comment box. Use this special offer. Okay, and in this particular internship we are going to cover the different concepts for data science. For an example, how to use the libraries, what is the meaning of the functions, and how to use the how to creating the project with the help of the different tasks, and also concepts, and also the libraries we are going to cover, and you can learn more about the data science. Use this special opportunity. The link is mentioned in the description for joining the internship. Don't forget to join the internship. You can get more knowledge while you joining this particular internship. We are giving only 590 rupees. Use the coupon code DSA3. Okay, yeah, fine. So the projects, what you will learn to develop in a hands-on way, the credit score classification, and also the stress prediction models, social media ads classification that is based on the NLP, and groundwater level prediction, current analysis prediction, and drowsiness detection by using the convolution neural network. These all are the projects we are going to cover. Chatbot creation, electricity price prediction with the help of different machine learning algorithms. These particular projects, how to create and how to build, these all are the things we will be discussed once you joining the internship. Means you can get the all the knowledge in a hands-on way. Okay, I'm here to teach you. Okay, so don't forget to register internship, because this will be more useful for you. Okay, so these all are the project: credit score classification, stress prediction models, and also the social media ads classification, groundwater level prediction, current analysis prediction, and drowsiness reduction by using the convolution neural network, chatbot creation, electricity price prediction. You will be getting the certificate from APSSDC. This is a special internship to you. You can learn more about how to create the project in a data science. Okay, right. And now I'm getting into the topic. You want to learn more about this in the sense, don't forget to join the internship here. And this is actually the machine learning actions when you are going to data science life cycle. For an example, different process we have to follow here. Okay, right. So the data preparation, data preprocessing, that is nothing but data cleaning, data transformation, and also the data analysis that will be helped to choosing the algorithm here, and splitting the data for testing and training. When you are going to creating the training data, we need to creating a model based on your analyzing. When you are going to analyzing, that will be helped to identify the data distribution. Based on the distribution, we can find the choose and also the best model here. Once you choose the algorithm, we can create a model. Once you choosing and creating a model, we need to train it with the help of the training data, which is created from here. Okay, this is actual procedure to creating a model for the data science. Okay, right. So an evaluation process, that will be the nearly 90%. That will be help to find the best model for our particular target. So data collection, data pre-processing, data analyzing, splitting the data for testing and training, and machine learning model and evaluation model, and so this will be more helpful. Finally, the model deployment. This is actual procedure to creating a model here. You can see it here. The first step, the data collection. This is the step to identify and obtain all the data related problem which you chosen before. That will be collected from the various sources such as database, internet, and also the mobile devices. That is actually the data collection. What is data preparation here? That means we need to prepare the data for the further steps. Yeah, most of the people asking the attendance link. This is the first day class. We need to share several things for the data science introduction. So please patient. Okay, be patient. So you can get the attendance link here. Don't worry. Okay, and we will share the knowledge here. After that, we can wind up. Okay, right. So most of the people asking the attendance link. Yeah, time is going. So fastly, I'm going to finish it up. Yeah. So we need to preparing the data here for the further steps for the machine learning. So our data, we need to prepare data integration, data cleaning, data transformation, data reduction. These all are can be possible with the help of the several functions which is get it from the Pandas library. Clear now? Yes. And data analyze. Analyzing the data is used for the various analyzing techniques. For an example, it is determining the types of the problem. So where we can select the machine learning algorithm based on the classification, we can choose the classification algorithms. Regression in the sense we can choose the regression, and clustering in the sense clustering we can choose the clustering algorithm here. Okay, so based on the machine learning types and model training. Once you're choosing the algorithm, we need to create the model. After that, we need to training the model with the help of the training data. So machine learning algorithm, we are going to use the dataset to train the model by using the various machine learning algorithm. Okay, so dataset will help to training a model with the help of the training data. And what about the testing data here? You can the testing data will help to calculate the accuracy score of the model. That will be help to find the best model for our particular target. Yeah, fine. That is for the model training and model evaluation. After training a model, we need to find the best model for our particular target based on the accuracy score with the help of the testing data here. So we need to check the accuracy of the model by providing the testing data and testing data model based on the percentage of the value. And so that is actually target problem here. For an example, if you're choosing the two different algorithm for the classification problem, in the sense which one is best, we don't know. So based on the accuracy score, we can choose the best model for our particular target. Okay, right. Then model planning, training versus testing. Here the training data is used for developing a model, training a model. Testing data is used to validate the model. Okay, yes. Yes, okay. Right. So model deployment. What is model deployment exactly? Model deployment is the process of putting the machine learning model into the production. That is nothing but a front-end process. This will be making the model prediction is available to the user. When I am going to feeding the new data by with the help of the front-end process, the developer or a system, so they can make the business decision based on the new data. Once you are going to creating one particular front-end page, when you are going to feeding the new data, that particular new data shared to the trained model, that particular trained model will giving the solution here, and it will be displayed in a front-end page. So that's why I mentioned here. This makes the model prediction available to the user and developer or system, so they can make the business decision based on the data. That is actually the deployment. For an example, liver disease prediction based on based on the data. When you're going to feeding the new data to the for example, liver disease prediction, you are going to feeding the new data based on the several criteria. It will be giving the result the person is affected or not, present or not. That is the model deployment. Okay, right. So now data science jobs. So once you learn this particular things, the criteria the data analyst, this is a designation. Once you're learning this, you can got the job in the designation of data analyst, machine learning expert, and also the data engineer and data scientist. These are the designation once you learn this. Okay, so these are the criteria, and for the according to the linkedin.com, according to the indeed.com, these are the salary package for the different designation. AI engineer, you will be getting nearly 8 to 10 lakh per annum. Data architecture, 21 to 40 lakh per annum. Machine learning engineer, 8 to 10 lakh per annum. And business intelligence manager, you can get it nearly 18 to 20 lakh per annum. And AI data analyst, 8 to 9 lakh per annum. And data scientist, you will be getting nearly 13 to 15 lakh per annum. Okay, so 13 to 15 lakh per annum. This is actually according to the LinkedIn.com. Okay, this all are the designation. This all are the salary package. Okay, this all are the salary package, right? So this all are the companies they are hiring: Intel and Cognizant, Amazon, IBM, and Wipro, Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Windows, and Capgemini. So these all are the companies they wanted to hire. So if you learn in this, and definitely you can get and you got the good position. These all are the companies they are interested to hire the different people in the the designation. Okay, the salary package will be 8 to 10 lakh, 21 to 40 lakh, 8 to 10 lakh, and 18 to 20 lakh, 80 to 9 lakh, and 13 to 15 lakh here. Okay, right. So now, are you want to become a data science engineer? Don't forget to learn all the concepts in data science. I'm here to teach you for this particular 30 days masterclass. Okay, you can cover, and once you learn this and listen, definitely this will be helpful for the future career related to you want to join this kind of the company, dream company in the sense. Definitely you can join based on your basic knowledge of the data science programming. Okay, right. So data science components, statics, domain expert, data engineer, and the visualization and machine learning in data science. That is the algorithm, regression based algorithm, decision tree, logistic regression, linear regression, and also the clustering, and also the principal component analysis, support vector machine, navy bias, artificial neural network, and Apereo. So these all are the algorithm can help to creating a model. Okay, right. So that is the good question, Mr. Anil Kumar. Thank you so much for your asking the good question. Okay, right. So this is a problem statement. I will explain it tomorrow. So most of the people are expecting to do the attendance link and filling the feedback forms, right? So we will share you. Fine, guys. Here, the based on the problem, classification problem in the sense we can choose the classification algorithm, and different process in the sense anomaly algorithm, and how many and how much in the sense that is the regression problem algorithm, and organized in the sense that is the clustering algorithm, and what should I do next in the sense that is the reinforcement learning. So these all are the how to solve the problem with the help of the machine learning. Okay, right. So don't forget, if you want to learn more about the concepts in data science in the sense, please do join the internship. We will cover all the concepts. Okay, we will cover all the concepts related to the data science programming. For example, Python, machine learning concepts, how to create a model, how to train a model, how to evaluate the model, and how to find the future prediction, and what is the meaning of the problem statement, how to use that. These are the things we are going to cover. Okay, we are going to cover. Okay, the basic knowledge you can learn from this 30 days masterclass. Don't forget, you can convert into the internship. The registration fee will be nearly 999, and also use the coupon code TSA3, and the discounted fee will be nearly 590 rupees. The link is mentioned in the description, and also what is that mentioned in the comment box. Right, the attendance link will be shared. Yes, Mr. Ashrit, thank you for your good reply. Yeah, okay, thank you. Right, yes. At the end of the session, okay, at the end of the session, I want to share one thing to you. If you guys are really interested to joining the internship, means don't forget to join the internship, and also you can learn. I assure you that you can learn more knowledge for the data science. Okay, right. So Mehta Payment, thank you so much. Right now, so before end of the session, every day I'm following the my time, so that will be most motivational good to you, for me as well. Okay, for me as well. And so what is the motivation today? Do not look at how long it will be take your accomplishment those goals, or how hard it will be. Maybe it will be hard. It will be taking more time to accomplish your goals. It will be taking time, but it will be very hard. So you have to take the step by step, and know that one day it will be worth, definitely. So don't feel like very tired. Okay, you can do, because most of the people expecting to go complete the session at 8:45, right? I can do that. Okay, I can do that. But what we need to know about that is most important. What we need to know, because I didn't cover the many of the concepts here. Okay, so I would like to explain about it. So if you feel like very patient, you be like very patient in the sense, you can get the more knowledge about the data science, definitely. Okay, right. So do not look at how long it will be taking your accomplish your goals and how hard it will be. Don't worry. Take step by your goal, and you can know one day it will be worth, definitely. Maybe that most of the people feel like very tired, I can't do that, like that, but it will be worth one day. So keep your time in a slower way, no problem. It will be taking more time, yeah, no problem. It is hard, yeah, you have to, then only it will be giving the result. Okay, be patient, everything will be comes to you in the right time. Okay, yes guys, yes, okay, right. I hope you guys are enjoyed the session. If you guys are enjoyed the session, means please mention in the comment box as well. And you want to learn more about the data science concepts in the sense, don't forget to join the internship. You can learn more concepts for the data science. Definitely the hard work never fails. Yes, okay. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys are enjoyed the session. So most of the people can't wait because of they are expecting to finishing up 8:45. Definitely tomorrow I can do that. Okay, tomorrow I can do that. And thank you so much for your good reply, guys. And one more thing, this is not a regular class. I need a more interaction. And also, if you guys are really like the session, means don't forget to hit the like button and also mention in the comment box as well. Yeah. Motivation is more important. Of course, I can do that. Yes, okay. I will tell you, I can teach you more about that. You want to learn more about the data science concepts in the sense, don't forget to join the internship. You can learn more. And this is the offer. We are giving the 590 rupees and yes, the benefits of the internship: 30 days live session, 90 days video accessible recording, and 8+ projects we are going to cover. And you will be learn, build, and develop with me. And 30 days downloadable presentation and also the source code and hackathon classes will be available for the internship user, and we can discuss there. And also the APSSDC internship certificate and confirmation, you can get it from there. Okay, this is the benefit of the internship. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed the today's session. So we'll see you tomorrow. Now I'm going to wind up the session. If you have any queries, you can ask right now. Yeah. So definitely I will be. Yeah, because of most of the people expected to finishing of 8:40. So that is the reason I'm taking in a faster way. Yeah, little bit we need a prerequisite for the Python language. Yeah, we need. I will take the classes for 2 days, basic concepts Python. After that, we can move to the libraries. These all are the things. Thank you so much, Prabha. Yes, okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Dr. Gurmeet Singh. Yeah. So one person is asking about a difference between data science and also the machine learning. Machine learning will help to creating a model. Data science, in the sense, it will help to analyzing the data, manipulating the data, and propertizing the data. You can combine the both things. Machine learning will help to creating a model that is nothing but data, the science model or data modeling. That time we need a machine learning concepts. What about the data science? We are going to pre-processing it. We are going to making the propertizing data, and we are going to analyzing the data. We are going to visualizing the data. And this is that time we need a data science. That is nothing but the data analyzing concepts. I hope you guys are understood about it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, Mr. Srinivas. Thank you so much. Right. Now I'm going to wind up the session. Explore your knowledge with us anytime, anywhere, and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. I hope you guys have enjoyed the today's session, and good night all. Have a delicious dinner. We'll meet you tomorrow with a different topic. Bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Thank you so much.